Everyone, welcome back to Art with Mrs. Bodden. So lately I have been teaching an origami class after school as part of our after school all-star program. And they have asked me to put a couple of different videos on YouTube for them. So I'm going to start with the notes that I just taught yesterday. So I taught how to fold some fun envelopes. So we're going to do those. And then I'm going to make two other videos that are also origami. So let me switch cameras and we will get started. Okay, so usually we need a square for origami. Today we don't. So we're going to start with this envelope first, which you then get to pull and adjust like that, and then it opens up into a piece of paper. So I'm going to show you how to do that one first. We're going to make it this time with this pretty piece of paper. Oh, sorry, I pressed a button. Okay, so my paper is going the tall way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this edge, I'm going to fold it down so it goes along this edge, which is going to divide this angle in half. I'm going to fold this down. I'm going to crease it. So I have my triangle, I have my rectangle. Now we're gonna flip it over. I'm gonna take this short side and I'm gonna line it up with this side. This is all going to be folded on in half on top of itself. So I'm gonna fold it over, gonna line up my bottom nice and even, line up my edge nice and even, and I'm gonna crease it. So now I've got a triangle here, I've got a triangle here, and I've got a rectangle here. I'm going to take and I'm going to do another flip over. So I'm going to flip it over. My line right here is going to be where I'm going to fold. So I've got that fold, or for that line from my bottom rectangle, I'm going to fold it up. Fold that whole rectangle up. Then I'm going to take and I'm going to fold it again right at the top of that rectangle. Just like that. Now I'm going to take my triangle and I'm going to fold this corner to touch this corner. I'm going to crease it. Then I'm going to fold it so that part of it sticks up like a tail. And then I'm going to take that whole triangle piece, I'm going to fold it up. And I'm going to turn it around. It's going to be easier this way. I'm going to take this piece right here, and I'm going to tuck it in this pocket right here that we just made. So I'm going to unfold it a little bit, and I'm going to tuck it in. And there I have a cute little envelope that to open it, you just pull this guy out and unfold. So that is number one. Number two is this guy. With this guy, we just pull him right here to open him up. So I'm gonna do that with this kind of neon salmon color. So again, we're starting out going the tall way. I'm gonna fold it in half. Crease it nice and good. Then I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna take this short side and I'm gonna fold it along my middle fold. So I'm gonna take this corner and I'm gonna fold it in. Kind of like we're making a paper airplane. We're gonna crease it. I'm gonna take this side, I'm gonna fold it down the same way. I'm gonna crease it. And I'm gonna rotate my paper. I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. I'm gonna take this edge, I'm gonna fold it down. Make sure it's nice and creased. I'm gonna take the same edge or the other edge, fold it down. And crease it. Okay. Then I'm gonna turn it sideways because it's easier for me. I'm gonna take this edge and I'm gonna fold it to my middle. So I'm gonna take my straight edge, line it up with my middle. And I'm gonna rotate my paper. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Take this straight edge, fold it to the middle. Then I'm going to rotate it back, so I'm going the tall way again. I'm going to take this shape and I'm going to fold it in half. So I'm going to take my point here and I'm going to fold it down. I'm going to rotate my paper again so I can do it to this same square too. We're going to take it, we're going to fold it down. Okay, now here's where I want you to make sure you got lots of crisp corners. Take your fingernails and crease them nice and good. Okay, so you got two triangles, you got kind of this open piece. We're gonna turn it over. Going back to the tall way. We're gonna take and we're gonna fold this into thirds. But when we fold it, we're gonna fold it so just this triangle shows up. So we're gonna fold it so that the triangle shows up. I'm gonna crease it. And I'm gonna fold this one down so the other triangle shows up. I'm gonna crease it. Now comes the fun part. We gotta tuck corners in. So I'm gonna take these two corners and I'm gonna tuck them into those two triangles. So starting with my left side, I'm gonna pick this guy up. I'm gonna tuck that one in. And I'm gonna pick this guy up a little bit. And I'm gonna tuck this one in. Sometimes it's a little tighter. Okay, there you have it. That is number 2. To open this guy, you can draw a little face on this. Just pull it. Yeah, it takes a little bit of wiggle, but it comes out. And stick it back in again. You just tuck it in and tuck it in. And there you go. That's number 2. Number 3 is this guy. Now he's pretty cool because you open him up and he's a nice, neat little envelope. So first thing we need to do, we're going the tall way. We're gonna fold it in half. Then you're gonna open it up. We're gonna start on the bottom half. And I'm gonna take this edge and I'm gonna fold it to line up with my middle fold. So that's going to give me a triangle and a rectangle. So here I have a triangle, here I have a rectangle. I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fold this edge down so it touches this edge, which means my rectangle is going to be over here. I'm going to fold this down, and you really do need to pay attention where your fold is. Otherwise, this one doesn't work as neatly. Okay, so gonna crease them really good. So now we have this weird diamond shape. I'm going to turn my paper because it's easier for me to fold in half this way. So I'm going to take this rectangle and I'm going to fold it in half, which is also going to fold this triangle space. So I'm just going to fold it up and fold it in half. And then I'm going to rotate my paper. And I'm going to do the same on this side. Fold it up. Fold it in half. Okay, now comes the confusing part. I'm going to take this part of my rectangle and I'm going to fold it so it lines up here. So I have to fold this up. So this area here is going to get folded in half. So I'm going to fold it up. And now if you want to be super clever, tuck it underneath that triangle right now. Then we're going to rotate it because it's always easier to fold it when you're going this direction versus trying to wiggle it around. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to take this line or this part of my rectangle and we're going to fold it up to touch here. Now, to close up my envelope completely, I just tuck it under. And there you have it. You have 3 different ways to make an envelope that are all fun and creative. This one you can write pull on so people know that they're supposed to pull on that guy. And put a face here if you want to, or just write pull and an arrow. This one is a little bit more pretty. It may take a little bit more finagling to figure out how to get it open, but still works. So I hope you had fun. If you feel so inclined, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next origami video. Talk to you soon.